Here is how to make chocolate chip banana bread. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 1.5 cups of mashed bananas to a large mixing bowl. Now add a half cup of vegetable oil such as mild olive oil or corn oil. Now you should add 2 lightly beaten eggs. Add 1 cup of white granulated sugar. Stir the ingredients with a large spoon until they are completely mixed. After mixing completely, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour to the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then stir the ingredients until the batter is completely mixed. Now add 3/4 of a cup of mini chocolate chips. Then stir the batter until the chips are completely mixed in. Pour the batter into a 9 by 5 inch bread pan. For a more chocolatey top, sprinkle some chocolate chips on top of the batter. Place the pan in your oven and bake for 65 to 70 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. When it is done, remove the pan from the oven. Now let the banana bread cool inside the pan for 10 minutes, as this finishes the baking process. After the 10 minutes, remove the banana bread from the pan, then place it on a wire cooling rack to cool down for 1 to 2 hours. After the banana bread is cooled, slice it and enjoy. For written instructions, there is a link in the description.